In this video, we are going to discuss about the comparison test from sequence and series. So what is this comparison test? If sigma u1 and sigma vn are any two positive series and limit n tends to infinity, see here, limit n tends to infinity, un by vn is equal to L and that L value shouldn't be 0, not equal to 0. Then the series sigma un and sigma vn both converge or both diverge. So if un is convergent, then automatically vn is also convergent. If un is divergent, then vn is divergent. If un is convergent, then un is convergent, and if vn is divergent, then un automatically divergent from the comparison test. If limit n tends to infinity, un by vn is equal to L. So this is auxiliary series or the P series, the most important series to test the convergence. So the theorem statement states that the series sigma 1 by n power p is equal to 1 by 1 power p plus 1 by 2 power p plus and so on, where p belongs to R, converges if p is greater than 1. So this is most important. So 1 by n power p, we have to check this p, and if it's greater than 1, then the series is convergent, and if it's less than or equal to 1, even though it is equal to 1, it is divergent. So according to the P series test or auxiliary test, we have to check the value of P. If it's greater than 1, it is convergent, and if it's less than or equal to 1, then it is divergent. So using these tests, we have to test for the convergence. So this is the most important question. See here, we have to test for the convergence. Solution, either it is asked like this or in this type. So here 1, 2, 3 and so on, n can be written as, and n plus 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. N plus 2 is nothing but 3, 4, 5 and so on. So 2n minus 1 is nothing but the set of odd numbers. So sigma un is given as 2n minus 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So our sigma un is ready here, and we have to check for its convergence. For that, what I am taking, I have to take this another series, that is sigma vn. How we have to select this vn? In the numerator there is 1n, and in the denominator there are 3 n's. If I cancel for one time, then sigma vn will be 1 by n square. So which test we have to use? We have to use an auxiliary test. Auxiliary test, just now I have said you, that is according to the auxiliary test or P test, P series test. See here, sigma 1 by n power p converges if p is greater than 1 and diverges if p is less than or equal to 1. According to this test, we have to compare. What is our vn? Vn is nothing but 1 by n square. In place of p, we have 2. So p is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. If p is greater than 1, so it converges. Therefore, according to the P series test or auxiliary series test, our sigma vn is convergent. So our sigma vn is convergent. So you have to keep it in a mind, and we have to go for the comparison test. What we have to do for comparison test? So just now I have said we have to find out the limit. Limit n tends to infinity, un by vn we have to check. What is limit un by vn? So limit n tends to infinity. What is un? Un is nothing but the question. What it is? 2n minus 1 by, see here, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So here un by vn. What is vn? Vn is nothing but 1 by n square. So this is 1 by n square. So limit n tends to infinity. I have to send this n square to the numerator, that is 2n minus 1 into n square by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. It will be limit n tends to infinity. I have to take the n out, n is common, then 2 minus 1 by n into n square by n. If I take n, if I bring n out, then it will be 1 plus 1 by n, and if I take n again out here, then it will be 1 by 2 by n. So here it is n cube, and then the numerator also there is n cube. So as you all know that limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, so 1 by infinity is nothing but 0 value. So in this, if I substitute, it will be 0 by 1 plus 0 into, here it is again 1 plus 0, so the answer is 2. So limit n tends to infinity, un by vn value we got as 2, and the 2 it is not equal to 0. So from the comparison test, just now have told, according to the comparison test, from comparison test, limit n tends to infinity, un by vn is equal to L, where L not equal to 0, then sigma un and sigma vn both converge or both diverge. So we got a finite value. Here we got the limit n tends to infinity, un by vn we got the value as 2 here. So 2, it is a finite value, and which is not equal to 2. So from the comparison test, if vn is convergent, so we have vn is convergent, so automatically from the comparison test, sigma un is also convergent. Sigma un is convergent. By using the comparison test, if vn is convergent, automatically un is also convergent if this limit has a finite value. So we got a finite value as 2. Therefore what is un? Un is nothing but 2n minus 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this is convergent. So this is the most important thing which you have to remember. And the next most important question here is, these are all the selected questions. Make sure, see here, test for the convergence. So our next test to be done on sigma n is equal to 1 by 2 power n plus 3 power n. We have to choose un as 1 by 2 power n plus 3 power n. So we have to take this common, that is 3 power n. If I take common, then it will be 1 plus 2 power n by 3 power n. So un can be written as 1 by 3 power n times of 1 plus 2 by 3 power n. So for our clarity, we have to take vn. So I am taking vn. Take sigma vn as, this is a sigma 1 by 3 power n. So 3 power n. If I choose this one, this is of the geometric progression, geometric series. So this is geometric series, and here sigma starts from 1 to infinity. Therefore it will be 1 by 3 power 1, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube, plus and so on. According to the geometric series, our r value is 1 by 3. So according to the geometric series, 0 less than or equal to r less than 1. If r is less than 1, according to the geometric series, sigma vn is convergent. So here our r value is 1 by 3. So which is less than 1. So if it's less than r, if it's less than 1, r value is less than 1, then it is convergent sequence according to the geometric series, which I have already said in my previous video. So here we got this one, sigma vn is convergent. So keep it aside, and we have to make a comparison test. How we have to make a comparison test? Sigma un by vn we have to calculate. What is un? Sigma n tends to infinity. What is un here? Un is nothing but 1 by 3 power n times of 1 plus 2 by 3 power n by, what is vn? Vn is nothing but 1 by 3 power n. So I can easily cancel these two, and what is left over here? Limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 power n. So after getting 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 power n, what we have to do? So we have to remember that limit n tends to infinity 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 power n. If I substitute infinity here, what we'll get? Infinity means since 0 less than r less than 1 and r is equal to, and limit n tends to infinity, remember r power n is equal to 0. So this will be 1 by 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. We have got a finite value, that is limit un by vn is equal to 1 according to the comparison test. See here, according to the comparison test, we have to, by comparison test, if limit un by vn is equal to L and L not equal to 0, so sigma un and vn diverges or converges together, then sigma un and sigma vn behave in the same way. So here actually our vn is convergent, therefore by comparison test sigma un is also convergent, therefore sigma un is convergent. What is sigma un? Which is nothing but sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 power n plus 3 power n is convergent. So you have to follow two tests, one is auxiliary test and one is comparison test. So we have to follow that according to the comparison test. If sigma un by vn is equal to a finite value, if you get which is not equal to 0, then if un is convergent then vn is convergent, if un is divergent then vn is divergent, and simultaneously if vn is convergent then un automatically is convergent. So according to the comparison test we got that 1 by 2 power n plus 3 power n is convergent. So this is from my end, and I hope that you will have a look at my upcoming videos. Stay tuned to our channel. We'll come back soon with some more problems. Until then, thank you. Subscribe to my channel also.